Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I'm Chris. Here is my new tutorial series. It's to FANUC.FOCAS 2 tutorial. So it is a maybe a little bit special tutorial, and this is also my new series to use the C programming to do this type of live videos. So for the first part one, I will introduce what is FOCAS 2 and how FOCAS 2 can help you to access the data, on which kind of data do you access to your FANUC CNC. Let's go. Okay, before I continue, let me introduce myself again. I'm Chris. I come from Hong Kong. Now I'm working with some stuff in factory automation in Japan. And the left hand side, you can see my YouTube channel, Twitter, and my radio and blog. I hope if you feel interesting, please just excited and see what I'm doing now. Okay, so what is FANUC.FOCAS? FANUC.FOCAS is a standard protocol for collecting data from FANUC CNC machine. It has been widely adopted as an industry communication protocol as many machine tool manufacturers using FANUC CNC to control their equipment. So it means if in your factory you're using FANUC CNC controller, that means FOCAS. You can use FOCAS to extract the data to control your CNC machine. And FOCAS contains a set of library. It's in a DLL format, which can access by the application to most of information inside the CNC. But what kind of data you can access? General data available in FOCAS induce CNC status. It means a running, alarm, ready something, and part kind of informations, program name, number, size, update, the day of update, and tubes and web page offset, alarm numbers, and etc. etc. And so, if I want to use FOCAS 2, what kind of interface I can use? When connecting machine data from FOCAS enable requirement, including no non-FANUC CNC, there are actually two types of connections. The FOCAS library using their connections to access the CNC data and read and write. You have an Ethernet and high-speed serial bus. It's SSB. So HSP connection is a connection method that was more stable and faster than standard Ethernet cable connections. But it's this kind of this card, so maybe I also don't have this card. So in this tutorial series, I use Ethernet base. A little bit more about FANUC.FOCAS. As I said before, it is a DLL library set that they provided from FANUC, which can be accessed by the application to most of information inside the CNC. And so, as I mentioned before, there will be the running alarm, CNC data, the motor data, spindle speed, motion data, something, etc., etc. And the FOCAS 1 and this FOCAS 2, there are two versions. For FOCAS 1, is a library for CNC other than some small from old type. And with the old Windows version, for example, you see here is until as Windows 7 professional. But the FOCAS 2, then you can access to go using with the new CNC, and also you can support Windows 10 and 8. In my tutorial, I'm using Windows 11. It will work perfectly. Okay, so who will use FANUC? Well, who will use this FOCAS? Sure, FANUC will use that. And Matsuura, and Dawson, and DMG Mori, and so many types of machine center that is using FANUC CNC, they will use FOCAS. Okay, so in the I think this is a very short video. Then I was thinking, what is the next step of my video? Then in the future video, I will explain the FOCAS 2 functions of FANUC little by little, and do it with the live C programming. That I hope I can do that. And if you have any requests, please just feel free to comment to me, and I will try my best to respond your request 100%. Okay, so it's a very short video. I hope you like this, and see you next time. So have a good day. Bye bye.